Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some quick and easy walking tacos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by cooking our meat. So to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to add our 2 pounds of lean ground beef. So we're just going to break it down and allow it to brown. Once our meat has browned, we're going to add all of our spices along with our onion and jalapeno. And we're just going to mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add our Roma tomatoes along with our tomato sauce and beans. Going to mix it and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. Alright, and after 3 minutes, our delicious meat is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our nacho cheese. Okay, now to make our quick nacho cheese sauce, we're going to set our saucepan over medium-low heat. And to that, we're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/4 of a cup of pickled jalapeno juice. I'm also adding a few jalapeno rounds along with all of our spices. And here we're just going to mix it and allow it to heat up. After 3 minutes, our milk should be ready. So now we're just going to be dissolving 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 3/4 of a cup of milk. So now just mix it, make sure to fully dissolve it. And once ready, add it to the mixture. And now we're just going to mix it until this thickens up. Alright, so once our sauce has thickened up, this is what it should look like. Okay, so here we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And now we're just going to get ready to add our cheese. And add it little at a time. Once that melts, add some more. Alright, and just like that, as soon as our cheese melts, we have our cheese sauce. So we're just going to turn it off. And now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our walking tacos together. Now of course you can always use your favorite chips. I'm using Doritos. And I'm just going to begin by adding my cheese sauce. Topping it with our meat. I'm adding some more cheese, sour cream, and some pico de gallo. And of course some jalapenos. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these right here are seriously super easy to make. They're so delicious and just perfect for your family gatherings. I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This is so simple, yet so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious walking tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.